Step into a world of luxury and style as we unveil the hottest bathroom shower design trends that will redefine your bathing experience. Don't miss out on the ultimate guide to creating your dream shower space. Hey everybody, welcome back to HD Interiors. On a new exciting video. Today, we've got something really exciting in store for you. We're diving into the world of bathroom shower design ideas. Now, we all know that a bathroom is a place of rejuvenation, a sanctuary where we start and end our day. And at the heart of it all lies the shower. It's not just a functional space, but a canvas for creativity and style. In this video, we'll be exploring a range of captivating shower designs that cater to various tastes and preferences. Whether you're a fan of the clean and sleek minimalistic look, or you're dreaming of transforming your bathroom into a spa-like retreat, we've got something special in store for you. So, stick around as we unravel some incredible ideas that will not only inspire, but guide you in creating the shower of your dreams. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest home improvement tips and design inspirations. Alright, let's get started. A minimalistic shower design is like a breath of fresh air for your bathroom. It's all about clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a soothing color scheme that creates a sense of serenity. Take a look at this example. Notice how the sleek fixtures and neutral tones seamlessly blend together, creating a seamless and inviting atmosphere. Whether you're working with a small space or aiming for a contemporary look, a minimalistic shower can be the perfect canvas. It allows you to maximize functionality while maintaining a clean, uncluttered aesthetic. And the best part? It's incredibly versatile, suiting a wide range of design preferences. So, if you're someone who appreciates the beauty and simplicity, this could be the perfect shower design for you. Imagine stepping into your bathroom and instantly feeling the stress melt away. That's the magic of a spa-inspired shower. Just take a look at this beauty. The soothing color palette, the rainfall shower head, and even the incorporation of natural elements, it's like having a spa right in your own home. The key here is to create a sanctuary that promotes relaxation and rejuvenation. Consider incorporating features like steam options, aromatic diffusers, and soft lighting to enhance the experience. And don't forget, you can customize it to fit your preferences. Whether you're aiming for a zen-like atmosphere or a more opulent spa experience, the possibilities are endless. So, if you're ready to turn your daily shower routine into a luxurious escape, this design idea might be just what you're looking for. If you're looking to make a statement in your bathroom, this is the way to go. Just take a look at this beauty, the open layout, the use of high-quality materials like glass and marble. It's a true showstopper. Walk-in showers offer a level of accessibility and sophistication that's hard to beat. They're perfect for creating a sense of space, even in smaller bathrooms. Plus, with the right design elements, they can become the focal point of your bathroom. And the best part? You can customize it to suit your unique style. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern look or a more classic, timeless feel, the options are endless. So, if you're looking to make a grand statement in your bathroom, a luxurious walk-in shower might just be the perfect fit for you. Now, let's move on to a design element that can truly transform your shower space: statement tile patterns. Stick around for some awe-inspiring ideas. Tiles are like the artwork of your shower, and they have the power to completely transform the look and feel of the space. Just look at these patterns, from mosaic to subway. The options are as diverse as your imagination. Statement tiles not only add visual interest, but also create a sense of depth and texture in your shower. They're a fantastic way to infuse your personality into the space and make a lasting impression. And the best part? You can mix and match colors, shapes, and sizes to create a truly one-of-a-kind design. Whether you're aiming for a bold, dramatic look or a more subtle, elegant feel, statement tile patterns have got you covered. So, if you're ready to make a bold statement in your bathroom, statement tile patterns are a fantastic way to go. Alright, everyone, it's time to step into the future of shower design with our next exciting idea: smart shower technology. Imagine being able to customize your shower experience with just a touch of a button. That's the magic of smart showers. From precise temperature control to built-in music and ambient lighting, the possibilities are truly endless. Smart technology isn't just about convenience, though it certainly delivers on that front. It's also about efficiency and sustainability. With features like water-saving modes and energy-efficient settings, you'll be making a positive impact on both your bills and the environment. And the best part? These systems can seamlessly integrate into your existing bathroom, making the upgrade hassle-free. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply looking for ways to elevate your daily routine, smart shower technology has something for everyone. So, if you're ready to experience the next level of showering comfort, smart shower technology might just be the perfect addition to your bathroom. There's something truly magical about having a connection to nature in your own home. This shower, for instance, blends seamlessly with its surroundings, incorporating elements like stone, wood, and even some greenery. It's like having a mini oasis right in your bathroom. Nature-inspired designs not only create a calming and refreshing atmosphere, but they also bring a sense of balance and harmony to the space. Whether it's the natural textures or the soothing color palette, it's all about creating an environment that nurtures both body and mind. And the best part? You don't need a sprawling bathroom to achieve this look. With thoughtful planning and the right selection of materials, you can create a nature-inspired oasis in even the coziest of spaces. So, if you're ready to infuse your bathroom with a touch of Mother Nature's beauty, nature-inspired designs might be just what you're looking for. We've covered some incredible shower design ideas today, from minimalistic elegance to nature-inspired retreats. I hope you found inspiration for your next bathroom project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fantastic home design content. As always, feel free to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. See you in the next video, and happy designing!